Shiba Inu is starting to recover. The market crash we saw yesterday turned out to be nothing close to what we thought before. It revealed some massive things about Shiba Inu. Over 150 billion Shiba Inu are gone in less than an hour. The Shiba Inu dev team is sending out the last warning, as the biggest event for Shiba Inu is about to begin, and whales act crazier than they ever did. But what is actually happening? And why should we be excited? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. As the market crashed like crazy yesterday, especially Shiba Inu, things are now slowly starting to recover. But here's what's interesting. This recent market crash wasn't just a random dip. It was actually a massive bullish indicator. Sounds wild, right? After this crash, people are now buzzing about Shiba Inu being on the verge of a parabolic breakout. And I know what you're thinking now. How could that possibly make sense? The market tanked, Shiba Inu plummeted, and now I'm saying it's bullish? Trust me, I get it. It might feel totally backward. But stick with me till the end of this video because I'll break down exactly what's been happening over the past few days and why this could be one of the biggest market shifts we've seen in a long time. Well, it all started with yesterday's trading session, which turned into an absolute bloodbath for the crypto market. We're talking about $1.5 billion worth of long and short positions wiped out. Shiba Inu wasn't spared either. It got hit hard. The price of Shiba Inu dropped by nearly 25% in just one day, hitting lows we haven't seen since late November. It's a tough pill to swallow for anyone holding on to hope for a recovery. But here's where it gets even more intense. On-chain data from Into the Block shows that whales dumped almost 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in just 24 hours. That's roughly $30 million worth of Shiba Inu gone. Naturally, this kind of sell-off shook the community. It's hard not to panic when you see whales unloading that much, combined with a price drop this steep. For many, it felt like the beginning of the end. And it wasn't just Shiba Inu that took a hit yesterday. The entire crypto market collapsed, even Bitcoin. But here's where things get really interesting. While everything was crashing, BlackRock, the world's leading asset manager, didn't post a single outflow in the ETF market for the past 12 days. In fact, they extended their streak of inflows. According to Farside Investor data, BlackRock's ETF saw one of its highest inflows ever, $394 million on Monday. That's not just a little dip buying, it's a massive move. And while it's not unusual for BlackRock to buy during market dips, seeing inflows of this size, that's something else entirely. It signals that this wasn't just another market crash. This was something unique, something big. And it's a sign we should be paying much closer attention. And guess what? We actually did. We dug deeper and found some crazy stuff. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Earlier today, analytics account Spot On-Chain revealed that a whale made a massive move into Shiba Inu, buying nearly 150 billion Shiba Inu tokens. And this wasn't just some random investment. This is a whale who already made a fortune on Shiba Inu earlier this year and decided to jump back in. According to the report, this whale spent $4 million to scoop up over 114 billion Shiba Inu, all within a single hour. They used 9 different wallets to make this massive purchase. And it doesn't stop there. The whale also grabbed some other meme coins and still has over $7 million in stablecoins, with Spot On-Chain noting that the buying spree continues. And here's what's important. Back on March 31st, this same whale sold a staggering 530 billion Shiba Inu, walking away with a profit of over $8 million in less than a month. And now, they're back, loading up on Shiba Inu again. This is a huge signal, simply because this isn't just any whale, it's a proven one, someone who knows how to time the market and has already secured big wins with Shiba Inu. When someone with this track record jumps back in with millions, it's not something to take lightly. It's a sign that something major might be brewing. The whales are going absolutely nuts right now, and it's probably because of a key market signal that popped up after the recent crash. A Twitter user shared a graph tracking Bitcoin dominance, and it's a game changer. The chart shows that we've entered a consolidation phase, which historically signals the start of a full-blown altcoin season. In their words, don't panic, altcoin holders. History is exactly repeating. And suddenly, everything starts to make sense. We've been waiting for an altcoin season for what feels like forever. And now, we're finally seeing confirmation in historical metrics. The timing, the signals, it's all lining up. No wonder people are getting excited. For those who've been holding on through the chaos, this feels like the beginning of something big. Some of them are even laughing at those still panic selling right now. And Shiba Inu, being one of the most prominent altcoins, might benefit the most from all of this. It seems like the Shiba Inu team is already gearing up for the incoming altcoin hype. Lucy just dropped an interesting tweet saying, "Fun fact, if you hold all assets in Eco, you won't be disappointed. There are many airdrops coming, and you don't need to do anything, just hold. Follow Satoshi Kusama. His tweets are full of hints." This feels like a subtle but clear signal that something big is on the horizon, and Satoshi Kusama seems to be right at the center of it all. One of Satoshi's most recent tweets has caught a lot of attention. He wrote, "Mental health note, most people will love you as you are. It's rare to meet someone who is a black mirror. They force you to look at yourself, face your flaws, and come out the other end either stronger or shattered. At first glance, it might seem like a personal reflection. But when you connect it to what Lucy said earlier about holding and staying patient, it starts to take on a deeper meaning. It feels like Satoshi is hinting at something much bigger for Shiba Inu. A challenge, a transformation, and ultimately, a breakthrough. This tweet resonates with the current state of the market and the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's been a tough ride, forcing holders to confront doubts and fears. But just like Satoshi said, facing those challenges can lead to something stronger. It all lines up with the anticipation for what's next. Something big is coming for Shiba Inu, and those who stay the course might be the ones who come out on top. With the anticipation of a full altcoin season and hints like these, Shiba Inu is positioning itself to ride the wave in a big way. It's starting to make sense why that whale made such a massive move into Shiba Inu. They might be seeing the same potential here, the perfect storm of market conditions and strategic preparation from the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Things are getting very interesting right now. And now, analysts are jumping in with massive predictions for Shiba Inu. One market analyst believes Shiba Inu is setting the stage for an incredible 1,700% surge. The big question on everyone's mind is, just how high can it go? For Shiba Inu, one prominent crypto watcher, Crypto Elites, thinks the answer is very high. In a recent post, Crypto Elites shared a chart showing that Shiba Inu has formed a cup and handle pattern on its weekly chart, something that's considered extremely bullish. This pattern has been in play for over 3 years and typically signals a strong uptrend. According to their analysis, Shiba Inu is expected to break through key resistance levels that have held it back since late 2021, potentially climbing to new heights. But there's a catch. It all depends on Bitcoin's dominance dropping further, which would free up more capital for altcoins like Shiba Inu. And the numbers back this up. Bitcoin's dominance has been steadily falling, creating the perfect setup for altcoin gains. Interestingly, Crypto Elites isn't the only one making big calls. Earlier this year, other analysts projected that Shiba Inu could reach significant price points by 2025 if the market conditions and ecosystem developments align. So, what does this mean for Shiba Inu holders now? It explains the excitement and the buzz surrounding Shiba Inu after the recent crash. People are seeing the potential for something big, something historic. This atmosphere of hope and speculation is exactly what helps the market recover. The excitement is real, and it's spreading fast. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.